Hey guys, it's Melanie. Today's video is all about homecoming. I am super excited. I'm super excited. You can probably tell because I have a full freaking face of makeup on and I never do this, but honestly I'm feeling pretty good, so yeah. Homecoming is such a fun time. I absolutely love the football games, the fall season, the dresses and getting ready and dance. I don't know. It's just a fun time, okay? You get to spend time with your friends and get ready. Also, huge thank you to Windsor for sponsoring this video and for allowing me to make this homecoming video to share with you guys. Windsor has a huge variety of homecoming dresses. I'm just gonna show you a few today. So I'll be showing you 5 different looks. I show you one hair and makeup look, and it's super, I don't wanna say like simple or natural. It's not really natural, but you can like elevate it as much as you want. I really like how this look turned out because you can wear it with multiple different outfits. Basically, I'm going to show you guys that today because I'm going to be wearing this look with 5 different looks. You can check out all the items in the link below. So other than that, let's get straight into the 5 looks. Hey guys, so starting off this makeup look with a fresh face, we're just going to be starting off with some foundation, and I'm just using the Fenty Beauty foundation. I just dotted that all over my face and then used my Real Technique sponge to blend that in. Then I went in with my brows and I just did my normal brow routine, which is just the Anastasia powder for the front and then the Anastasia pomade for the ends, and then I went back in with the foundation and a flat brush just to conceal my brows. Once I finished concealing my brows, I just went in with my Anastasia clear brow gel. Then I went in with the Tarte Shape Tape and put that underneath and around my eyes to conceal. Set that with some powder and then used the Hoola bronzer all over my face as well as on my eyes just to give some definition. Next, I grabbed my Wet n Wild highlighter and a fan brush and just used that on my nose and cheekbones to give a little highlight, as well as the inner corners of my eyes with this small define brush. Then I just used my Melanie spray to set my face. After that, I curled my eyelashes and put some glue on my falsies, and while I let that set, I just put on some lower lash mascara and then went ahead and put the falsies on. To finish off this look, I just used the Fenty lip gloss. Now for the hair, I just decided to do a really simple look, so I just started off by straightening it. So I clipped up the first half and sprayed in some heat protectant and then used my flat iron just to straighten my whole head. Once I straightened my whole head of hair, which only took like 5 minutes, I just took a little piece from each front section and then used a little clip to clip it back and then just pulled out some fringe. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Now on to the outfit ideas portion of this video. Like I said in the beginning, all of the accessories and dresses and shoes are from Windsor and will be linked in my bio if you want to check any of them out. This first look is definitely one of my favorites. I think it is so pretty and not something that you typically see. Instead of the dress being super like bedazzled, it's just this sheer kind of shimmery material, which is super cool, but it's still very comfortable. Like the material is super good quality and stretchy. I love how flowy this dress is and the shape of it. I think it's super flattering. My absolute favorite thing about all these Windsor's dresses, as you'll probably see, is that they all have pockets, which I think is freaking amazing. To style this dress, I just put on a bunch of silver jewelry. I have this layered necklace and these huge jeweled earrings, which I think are super cool. And then I'm also just wearing some white heels that are pretty simple but go with almost everything. On to the second look. I am so crazy in love with this look. For starters, this dress is just a nice silk material, which has been very in recently. It's just this really pretty dark emerald green, which I think is super flattering and especially goes really nice with the fall season. As you can see, this dress also has pockets, which is super awesome, and then the back is this really cool strappy lace-up design. I absolutely love the straight cut front of this as well as the flowy skirt. I think it goes super well together. Not only does the strappy back look super nice, it makes it adjustable so that it can fit almost any body size. To accessorize with this outfit, I just paired it with these gold dangly earrings that are huge but are an amazing statement. I also thought that these gold earrings looked really cute with the gold shimmery heels that I'm styling. Now on to look number 3. I would definitely say that this is the most formal of the bunch. Nonetheless, I am absolutely in love with this dress. Since the dress itself is pretty fancy, I didn't wear that many accessories with it, yet I think the dress does all the speaking. This dress has a super cool shape. The top is this beautiful gold detailed top that has this kind of almost lace looking material, and the bottom is just the super thick black pleated skirt, which I think matches perfectly with the top. As you can see, this skirt also has pockets, which is a huge plus once again. The back of this dress is also super neat. It's like an open back but also has these cool straps and a tie around the neck, which also makes it adjustable just like the past ones. I paired it again with the same shimmery heels because I think it matches perfectly with the top. Look number 4 is actually the same dress as the second one, but in a different color, so I just styled it a little bit differently. This one in this super pretty satin dark red tone, which I think is absolutely stunning. I am so in love with the shape of this dress that I had to get it in another color. I believe it also comes in navy and black on the site, which you should totally check out. To style this one, I did it pretty simply just with this dainty little gold necklace. Once again, it has this super cool strappy back and the same straight cut top. I am again styling it with the same gold shoes as I think it looks really good with the gold necklace. For the 5th and final look, I am going with a sleek and simple look, but it has a touch of snakeskin, which I think looks super cool and plays kind of a twist on it. Although this dress looks super similar to the second and fourth one, I swear it is a little bit different. It has the same straight cut top and lace up back, but the laces are a little bit different and just the overall fit of it is slightly different from the first few. Plus, it still has the same pockets, which is amazing. To go with the simple silk black dress, I decided to add some snakeskin pieces so all the accessories match perfectly. I'm wearing these strappy heels that are obviously faux snakeskin, and I also have the coolest earrings. As cool as these are, they're really light and actually super comfortable, which was another plus. So that is it for my 5 outfit ideas / inspiration for homecoming. If you like any of these dresses, make sure to check them out on windsorstore.com or in the links below. Alright guys, so that is my little homecoming lookbook. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that it was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments which look is your favorite and which one I should wear to homecoming, because this is kind of like a test run, I guess, for me, because I don't know which one to wear yet. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out Windsor.com if you liked any of these dresses or accessories or whatnot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!
Looking back